Having a strong vocabulary is essential for achieving a high band score in the IELTS writing and speaking sections. Using precise and advanced synonyms instead of common words can help you sound more fluent and natural.
Big.
Big, huge. Big, massive. Big, gigantic. Big, colossal. Big, huge. Big, massive. Big, gigantic. Big, colossal.
Small.
Small, tiny. Small, petite. Small, minute. Small, compact. Small, tiny. Small, petite. Small, minute. Small, compact.
Fast.
Fast, rapid. Fast, swift. Fast, speedy. Fast, expeditious. Fast, rapid. Fast, swift. Fast, speedy. Fast, expeditious.
Slow.
Slow, sluggish. Slow, leisurely. Slow, delayed. Slow, gradual. Slow, sluggish. Slow, leisurely. Slow, delayed. Slow, gradual.
Smart.
Smart, intelligent. Smart, clever. Smart, bright. Smart, sharp. Smart, intelligent. Smart, clever. Smart, bright. Smart, sharp.
Stupid.
Stupid, foolish. Stupid, ignorant. Stupid, unwise. Stupid, naive. Stupid, foolish. Stupid, ignorant. Stupid, unwise. Stupid, naive.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.